Hey folks, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to be making Hamburger Potato Casserole. You can do all kind of ways with it. I'm adding a beef broth and a Worcestershire sauce to mine, but you can add carrots, sliced carrots, you can add corn, broccoli, mushrooms, just whatever your family likes. But we're going to keep it simple this time. Let's get to cooking. I've already washed, and I sliced my potatoes. I had a mandolin. They are so easy. A mandolin, I love mine. My son got it for me. I've browned 1 pound of hamburger meat. I've drained it and I've browned it. I've chopped up a small onion in the chopper. I've already did that. We'll use a cup of cheese. We're going to let this bake after we get it all done, and then we're going to take it out and put cheese on top. So first of all, we're going to take 1 can of mushroom soup. I've got a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, teaspoon of salt and pepper. We're going to put that in there. I've got 3/4 cup of milk, and I've got just a little over a cup of beef broth, and I got 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, and my 1 small onion. It's been chopped up. I've got my 13x9 pan that I've sprayed, and I've put my oven on to 350. We're going to mix this up, and we're going to layer it. First the potatoes, then this mixture, the hamburger meat, and we're going to make 2 or 3 layers, as far as it'll go. We're going to cover it with foil, and then we're going to let it cook for 75 minutes. Take it out and add the cheese. A cup of cheese. I got a Cheddar Jack cheese. We're going to add that on top, and then we're going to cook it for 10 or 15 minutes more. So let's get it in the oven. I've taken the casserole out of the oven and I've checked it to make sure the potatoes are done, which they are. Now we're going to put a cup. This is cheddar and Monterey Jack cheese on top. If you want a little heat to it, you could add cayenne pepper or sriracha to it when you're mixing it. And I've put my cup of cheese on top and it's going in for 10 or 15 minutes till it's hot and bubbly and the cheese is melted. I've got the casserole out of the oven. It was in there for about 12 minutes and it sure does look good. It's cheesy, it's gooey. Let's see if we can look at that casserole. It's delicious. It's just as tender as ever. I love the additive Worcestershire sauce and beef broth. It brings out a rich flavor. I hope you try this. It's easy. I think your kids are going to love it. I mean, who don't like potatoes and cheese and hamburger meat? Down in the comments, let me know what your favorite casserole is. The recipe and the link to a printable recipe will be in the description. Links to my Etsy store and any affiliate links that I have or may have mentioned will be in the description. Thank you for watching my videos, and as always, God bless.